Boxycharm dolls, and welcome back to our channel. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I hope everyone is having a fabulous day so far. We have an exciting video for you guys because today we announced the winner of our Coach Boots giveaway. Yay! I'm so excited. I love doing giveaways, you guys. And when we hit our 600, obviously I'm going to do another giveaway then, but this is for hitting our 500 subscribers. We are halfway to 1,000. Once we get to 1,000, I'm going to do a flippin' huge giveaway, you guys. It's going to be so massive because I seriously just cannot wait to be in the quadruple digits. Now, well, wait. Oh, I think it's, what does thousands count as, triple digits? Okay, so yeah.
4 digits.
I can't wait to be in the thousands instead of the hundreds. We'll just go with that. I just can't wait, okay? So today, before I announce the winner, I am going to do my Boxycharm unboxing. I got it and I've had it all day today, and I literally have been running around all day and haven't even had a chance to open it, which is normally because you guys know I get it shipped to my work, which is why I usually do my Boxycharm and Ipsy unboxings in my car. On my lunch, we do the lunchy munchy break because I normally can't wait to get home to see what I got. And today I was running around for Valentine's Day getting all my 3 boys stuff, so I didn't have time to even go through it. So I'm going to do that here with you guys. So let's see here. We'll go ahead and jump in. And the card for this is Galaxy Glow, which I found kind of odd because it's February, so Valentine's Day. I thought it would be a little bit more on the lovey-dovey, girly side. You know what I mean? This looks like I'm going to a rave. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, it's the Galaxy Glow theme. And also in it, there was another card that says Extra U Cover FX, and it came with a 20% off coupon for our next purchase on Cover FX. And I'm going to go ahead and be nice and share that code with you. I don't think we're supposed to, but I don't care. So this is the code if you want to get 20% off Cover FX. It's just FX Charm. So anybody who wants to order off there, go for it. You have until March 15th to redeem that. There's a couple different variations of this box this month, and I was hoping for some of the other products now that I'm looking at it, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm still happy with what I got. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. The first thing right on top was this 3-pack of Crown Pro Brush Trio. It's a 3-piece set, and this retails for $29.99, and it says, use this trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face, and the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. I love Crown brushes. I think they're amazing quality for the price. The way these look, they look like Wet n Wild brushes, you guys. Anybody who has Wet n Wild brushes, these look just like them. I mean, let me see. I think I have, okay, here's one of my Wet n Wild brushes. This one's an old school one, but it looks just like it. Just freaking like it. Let me see if I can find here's another one. They look the same. Granted, this one's dirty AF, but they look exactly the same. This has a flat bottom, and this has a more rounded, but they have the same grooves in here and everything. So here is the powder brush. And I'm going to be very honest, I would not use this for a powder brush. This is not big and fluffy enough. It is very soft, like as far as the bristles, but it's very dense. and or a little too dense, a little too firm for a powder brush for me. I can see this being more of a contour brush, or blending out my contour. And this is the medium brush. This one I would probably more use maybe as a highlight brush, or maybe getting deeper into the grooves of my cheekbones for a tight lined contour. And the smaller one, actually I'd probably use this to blend out my freaking highlight, in all honesty. And this one that they said for highlight, I would actually use this one as an eye brush. It's just like a flat packer brush for your eyes. So I don't agree with their usage of these brushes. They're very firm. They feel like plastic. They feel like the Wet n Wild brushes. They really do. They're not bad quality. It's just, it's what they feel like. So yeah, that is the first thing in here. The next thing sitting on top is this vintage smoky eye pencil in jet black. This retails for $21. This eye pencil is $21 for an old school wooden eye pencil. You've got to be shitting me. Excuse my French, but like, you've got to be kidding me. Now, I have tried Vintage Cosmetics before. I did get it's like a blush topper slash highlight in one of my boxes before, and it was great quality, beautiful packaging. I loved it. But do I think this wooden pencil, it is pretty creamy, I'm not going to lie. It's not as creamy as some of my other ones, but it's pretty creamy. And it's pretty black, I will say. But $21, I just don't think that it's worth $21. I don't even think like MAC eye pencils are that much, are they? I think they're like $14 or $17. It's been a while since I bought a MAC eye pencil. But for an eye pencil, not even a retractable one. If it was retractable, I could see it being worth that, but okay. Whatever, Vintage. Okay. The next thing, I don't think everybody got this in there. There was a couple different variations. This is the Pure the Complexion Authority Faux Lip. It says X Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator, and it retails for $17. With an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads, this 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Using shea butter to soften, while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead skin surface cells. It moisturizes the lips for softer, smoother, more plump lips. I am actually happy I got this one. There was another one that came in a tube that everybody else got that was just a lip scrub. I like the idea that this plumps because we all know I like my big juicy lips. Did I say this retails for $17? So that's not bad. Not bad at all. And it seems like there's quite a nice amount of product in here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that down before I jack it all up. I have lipstick on right now, or gloss on right now, so I'm not going to try it, but I will try it on camera another time. And it feels really, really nice. Feels like chapstick with freaking sugar in it. And it tastes like sugar too. Sorry, I just had to check. So yeah, it tastes like sugar, and it feels like it's going to be really exfoliating, and I wear a lot of liquid lipsticks that do dry the crap out of my lips, which is why I'm wearing lip gloss today, because my lips have been really, really dry. So I was really excited to get this one, especially because it plumps too, and who doesn't want plump, luscious, soft lips? The next product I was really, really excited to get, and everybody got this in theirs. It's the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and it retails for $28. They are multi-use shimmering cream colors that are crease proof enough for the boldest of eye looks, formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. So this is more meant, I think, as like an eyeshadow, but it says you can use anywhere, so I'm sure you can use it as a highlighter or whatever the heck you want. And this is in the color Amethyst, which is really appropriate. It's a pinky color for Valentine's Day. And Cover FX has some of the greatest highlight products. I'm just going to swatch that on there. And look at it shine. Oh, so beautiful. I think I'm going to use this tomorrow in a look. Definitely going to. And smoothing this out, it feels like it turns to powder. So even though it is really, really creamy when you first put it on, it seems like it's drying down into a powder form. So I definitely think it will be creaseless and will sit all day. Excuse the glitter on the rest of my other hand. I got a new product today at the drugstore, which I'll tell you guys about later. It's the Milani Fierce Foil Eye Shines. They're new. These things are the freaking bomb. I'll showcase these at another time though. But that's why there's glitter all over my hand. So yeah, these are really beautiful, and I'd be interested in checking them out in other colors because pink is not really my color. But we'll make it work, at least for one look. And last but not least, this is the one product that there were variations of that I actually wanted the other one, but I'm okay with this one too. This is a great product too, and it's by a brand I really, really love. I got the Ofra Pop-Up Palette Mini, which is $19, and the Blush Godet or Godet Refill, and that's $12. And basically, I got a Z palette, an Ofra Z palette, which is what it is. And what girl doesn't need a Z palette? These are always, always great to put all my singles in, and I have a lot that need to be transferred because a lot of my singles don't get used because they just sit there as singles. So now I can put them in here because my other Z palette is full. And it came with this blush in the color Winter Rose, which is really beautiful. And I will definitely be getting some use out of this. So I'm really happy with it. I love Ofra Cosmetics. And luckily it came and didn't shatter everywhere. That's a beautiful color. I'm going to swatch it a little bit. It's just a really dusty color. You can't really see it. Well, yeah, I guess you can. It's kind of a tan, dusty, tanny color. See, look at all that glitter. All the dang glitter all over my hands. So, yeah, the other people got a, forget who the brand was. I think it was Naked. They got a highlighter palette that was like all holographic-y colors. It looked like like it was a knockoff for the Aurora ABH palette, and I really did want that, but that's okay because look, this Z palette is so cute, you guys. I like the little doors like this. The only thing I don't like is it closes just this way, but so you always have to put this side down first. But this is a really cute Z palette. So I'm not mad at all. I did want the other one a little bit more because you know me and my highlighters. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm really happy. So overall, this was a great box. Is it my favorite? No, but there were definitely a couple of products in here I am excited to try out. Like the Cover FX. That is a great product. Ofra, I always love getting stuff from them, and I'm really excited to try this exfoliator out. The brushes are just but I can always use more brushes. The only thing that I could completely leave out of this box was this damn pencil, and only because they want to charge $21 for an eye pencil. Am I just cheap when it comes to eye pencils, or is that crazy to me? Like, I will blow money on the most expensive palettes, but tell me $21 for a freaking eye pencil? It looks so cheap. It looks like a Jordana freaking eye pencil. $21 vintage. There is a hella markup there. You know you get these made for 25 cents. If that. Okay. I'm done. Okay. But Boxycharm was great. Thank you so much, Boxycharm, for another amazing box. And I can't wait till next month because I saw a sneak peek of an eyeshadow palette we are getting. If you don't have Boxycharm, it is $22 a month. You get 5 products that are all full size. And they're all name brand like you guys see here. Cover FX, Ofra, and $22, and my stuff is worth well over $22. I mean, let me total this up. 30, 30, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 some odd dollars my box was worth, and I paid $22. I know that there is a waiting list right now. When I first got on it, there was only a 1-month waiting list. Right now, people are waiting up to 5 months for getting cleared on Boxycharm. So I suggest if you ever want to see this box in your lifetime, go sign up now. You do have to leave a credit card on file. They will tell you when, before they charge it, and when a spot has opened up for you. So I would go jump on the list even if you're thinking about it, because it's going to be a while. They are working to get everyone off, but I mean, $22 for all these high-end products, you know, of course everybody's jumping to get on, and I was fortunate to get on in the earlier stages. So jump on if you're even thinking about it, and use my link below. You get points. I get points. I don't make any money off of it. It's just, I love Boxycharm. They're the best subscription box out of all of them, you guys. Out of them all. So, with that, I'm going to go ahead and announce the winner of the Coach Boots giveaway. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to bring you down to size to show you these boots. They are brand new Coach boots. They retail for $250, but they don't fit my fat calves, so I wanted them to go to a good home. Oh, they still have all the paper in here. They are beautiful, beautiful boots, and I don't want them to be wasted, you guys. Look at the cute little emblem. Oh, they're so adorable. They go right above your calves, right under the knee, and one lucky winner is going to win these boots. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. Okay, drum roll, please. The winner of the Coach Boots giveaway is Nora Ahmed. Yay! So, Nora, you have 48 hours to contact me with your information, your shipping information to claim your prize. I am going to be shipping out all prizes for those of you who still haven't gotten yours. I'm really sorry. I haven't been able to get to the post office. I work till 6 o'clock at night, and by then they're closed. So I am going this weekend for sure and shipping everyone's stuff out this weekend. So, thank you guys so much for subscribing. We will be doing another giveaway soon because we are close to 600, and I'm going back to makeup next time because you guys have spoken. A lot of you guys did not like this giveaway too much. So even though I thought it would be great because I was like, dude, these shoes are worth hella money. Like, worth more than anything I could buy for a giveaway, but you know, not everyone is a size 7, 8, so I totally get it. So anyway, we will go back to makeup next time for the giveaway, and I will see you guys on, when do I come back again? I come back Friday, so I'll see you guys Friday. Everyone enjoy your Valentine's Day. Love you guys. Bye.